Refrigerant charging conditions. When to charge and when not to charge. What are favorable charging conditions? The indoor air temperature should be between 70 to 80 degrees. The outdoor air temperature should be between 65 to 100 degrees. When these charging conditions are met, a minimum of 10 degree subcooling is required for all liquid line diameters to ensure no refrigerant flashing occurs before the TXV metering device. Generally, a 10 to 15 degree subcooling is desired. Check the unit data tag or product literature for specified subcooling. If air temperature is outside these parameters and you need to charge the system, the only approved method is to weigh it in. Most residential systems come with a factory charge for a specified refrigerant line length. The amount of factory charge can usually be found on the unit rating plate or in the product data literature. For systems with a 3/8 liquid line, 0.6 ounces per foot would be added for any length over the factory charge length. On a system with a factory charge for 25 feet and a total line length of 50 feet, our additional charge needed would be 15 ounces. 25 times 0.6 would give you 15 ounces additional charge.
Go to arefco.com for more videos. Like, subscribe, and check back every week for new videos.